Welcome back, Evergreen traders and investors. This is our EquiTalks episode number 93. Today is February 3, 2020, Monday. My name is JC De Guzman, founder and CEO of Equilyst Analytics Incorporated. In this 93rd episode, we will be talking about my technical analysis, and of course, I'll give you my recommendations for Axelum Resources Corporation, and the stock code is AXLM. By the end of this episode, this question will be answered. And the question is, should you weight Axelum near 2 pesos and 45 centavos? What is that 2.45? Is that support? Is that a resistance? You will know, don't worry. But first things first, we need to go through my technical analysis that is based or inspired by my evergreen strategy in trading and investing in the Philippine stock market. For the new listeners, let me give you a brief information about this evergreen strategy. This is a collection or a basket of my proprietary methodologies that work in short-term trading or long-term investing. So whether you are a trader or an investor, this will work for you. Okay? And to know more about this online stock market course or online stock market seminar, please visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the course page or menu on the homepage or on top. Now, without further ado, let's take a look at the daily chart of AXLUM. So AXLUM closed today at 2.78, support is at 2.45 or 2.46, resistance is at 3 pesos per share. So now you know what's that 2.45? That's the historical immediate support for AXLUM. The 10 MACD of AXLUM is already still bearish. And this means there is no buy signal confirmation yet for AXLUM. What makes the 10 MACD combo bearish? What makes it bullish? Does it have more than one element? What is this 10 MACD combo, by the way? You will know the answers to all of those questions and more inside the online stock market course or online stock market seminar. So that's where you're going to hear me explain what those terminologies are. Okay? It's an online stock market course that's, I would say, newbie friendly. Okay? Foreign investors are net sellers for AXLUM year to date. So their participation is not that significant, relatively speaking, so there's not much that we need to worry about. They're being net sellers year to date anyway. The risk level of Axelum is extremely high due to its historical volatility score of 159%. Now that's worrisome, all right? And you will learn in the online stock market course the significance of knowing the risk level of a stock using its historical volatility, particularly when you are about to make a decision on whether or not a stock is meant for or fit for a newbie trader or new investor. All right. Now, based on today's data, the total turnover value for Axelum reached almost 18 million pesos. The local traders were the main drivers. And according to my trade and volume distribution analysis, Axelum has a volume weighted average price of 2.85, and that's already higher than the last price of 2.78. That makes a bearish momentum power indicator. So we got two reasons why there's really no confirmed buy signal for Axelum. The dominant range is between 2.78 to 2.9. That is closer to the intraday low than the intraday high. So that's another element of the momentum power indicator that gave a bearish sentiment to the overall momentum power indicator for today. You will also know more about what is this momentum power indicator, what are these elements that I'm talking about, what makes it bearish or bullish. You will learn the answers to all of those questions and even more in the online stock market course or online stock market seminar. Now, for the true market sentiment, it's a bearish for Axelum for February 3. And that doesn't help in encouraging me to give you a recommendation that it is okay to do a test buy. No, no, no. There's no buy signal confirmation at all, and the true market sentiment seconds the motion. So, if just in case you still have Axelum in your portfolio and assuming that your trailing stop is still intact, my recommendation is that you reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop. It's more than likely for the price to continue to descend and retest the support at 2.45. You don't want to still be holding on your Axelum when that happens. So might as well reduce the percentage of risk on your trailing stop if you can't afford to preempt your trailing stop as a whole. Okay? So, but don't average down. Don't waste your buying power. And that's the same piece of advice that I would give you if you're going to tell me that you don't have Axelum yet, but you're planning to trade it in the future. Now is not the rightful time. Now is not the logical time for you to do a test buy on a stock that is still more than likely to descend. You get to wait for certain signs of exhaustions that these decided sellers are somewhat tired already in terms of selling. And how would you know? You will know once the 10 MACD is bullish, once the momentum power indicator is bullish. What makes it bullish? What makes the two bullish? Again, you will learn the answers when you watch the online stock market course or the online stock market seminar that we offer at Equilyst Analytics. But anyhow, if you are one of our subscribers, if you are a subscriber of our online stock market subscription service, you can ask for our latest analysis and recommendation for AXLUM in our private clients forum. All right? So, how do you subscribe? How do you become one of our subscribers? Just visit our website at equilyst.com and then click on the subscribe page on top. There's a subscribe menu on top. And please read the complete details of each of those 6 inclusions in this subscription service. That's very, very, very important. It's very important that you read the details. Don't subscribe, pay for your subscription, and then email us that, oh, this is not what I expected. Oh, I thought this, I thought that. No. Read everything first. And then convince yourself that what we can offer you, that what we are willing to offer you, is what you are looking for. Okay? So if it's not on our website, then that means it's not what we are offering. What you see is what you get. Each of the inclusions are well explained, well described on our website. All right? And let me also invite you to sign up to our free newsletter so that when we publish a new episode, you will be receiving an email alert. Go to our website at equilyst.com and then click on resources and then learn, sign up, click that orange button. After signing up, check your inbox for the confirmation email. If it's not there, check your spam or junk folder. Once you've confirmed your registration, then you will be receiving an email when we publish a new episode. And also, click the description box down below and then follow us on all of our social media accounts so that aside from that email alert, you will also be notified on your favorite social media account when we publish a new episode. We are on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Pinterest. We're all over social media actually. All right? So again, thank you for listening or watching this EquiTalks episode number 93. My name is JC De Guzman, and always remember, be evergreen.